Well, the kids have done it again with those wonderful crayons. This time they did their crayon art on some plastic. I'm Cindy. I'm with Three's Company 2, and I'm going to show you how to get the crayon off your plastic. Well, there are a couple different ways. The one I'm going to show you first is using baking soda. And basically what you're going to do is make a little paste. You can use it right on your sponge. So you would actually make your sponge damp, throw some baking soda on it, smush it in a little bit so it's got a pasty solution feeling. And then you're going to rub, and it comes off. And of course, I'm using that famous elbow grease my mother always told me about. I bet your mother did too. And then you would dry it. And that gets your crayon off. Another product that you can use is the Glue Gun. And that'll work for grease, gum, stickers, crayon, tape, a whole bunch of different items. And also baby oil. And again, with the baby oil, you place that on, smooth it in, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe that away. And it would, again, remove the crayon off of your plastic. I'm Cindy. This was removing crayon from your plastic, and hopefully you'll have a great day.